And welcome back to GK Technology and Ag Data Viewer. We were just working through some settings. We've gone through the data storage and user interface. Next we're going to jump over to the user interface 2 tab. Under this tab we have options for map background color. You can be at white or black. I suggest using the white background for processing. When you're out in the field and collecting data, the black background can be very useful. It's more for in-field data collection and things along those lines. Problem gets to be with black backgrounds, turning on points, data points. Many of the default colors in the software are black, so you wouldn't see them turning on over the top of things. So your cursor coordinate units, we have options. Again, this is just the cursor coordinate units. It's not affecting any actual physical projection issues, but you have UTM coordinate system that you can use on your cursor. Latitude and longitude, decimal degrees, degrees minutes, and degrees minutes seconds. I suggest using the latitude and longitude decimal degrees. It's the more common one that you see in other software packages. Makes it a little easier to follow along. Your area measurement or area measure units, you get acres, square miles. In most cases for agricultural purposes, we're going to use acre, so leave that at acres. Your linear measurement units, you have options between foot, U.S. survey feet, miles, kilometers. You get the ideas here. Foot is going to be the more common setting that you're going to be using. Again, this is really nothing more than how units will project up as you scroll across the screen and measure things on the screen. It's not actually changing any of the projection. All of our projections are default WGS 84 and UTM coordinates. So your above and below grade units, below grade units is in inches or feet. Typically we leave this in feet. Options are to go to inches. Your zone result folder name will be zone results. Your grid results folder name will be grid samples. Don't suggest changing these. Your current season, this season will change. Now remember, you want this season to reflect the product, the item that you're building. So typically when you start getting out to say August, September, October, so if it was 2012 right now and you're getting out to August, September, October of 2012, you would probably be changing this to 2013 to represent that the fertilizer products that you're writing are for the 2013 crop year. We are working in 2012, so we will leave it at that. So that is our user interface 2 settings.